Hey, it's Lars Hauwert here. Welcome to this video. So today I'll discuss how to turn cold traffic into repeat buyers for your e-commerce brand, making it very profitable for you because after the first purchase you're not paying for ads anymore to get those people to buy from you, right? I'll get into all of this in this video. So if you don't know who I am yet, I'm Lars. I've grown my own e-commerce brand to $9 million in sales called Nancy Home Store, and now I'm helping other e-commerce stores to make a ton of money as well. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So essentially, how to get people to convert into like a repeat customer for your business is to use like the appropriate flows when it comes to email and SMS marketing, where we need to have a specific set of flows that we're sending to specific segments of customers or of potential customers. So I will discuss all the different flows that we typically use to get optimal results. It's quite advanced, but we do that because it's so effective. So to send out those flows through email and SMS, we use the software called OmniSend. It's honestly the best. It's also the cheapest. It has all the functionalities you need. So I always recommend to use OmniSend for your e-commerce brand. And the first flow that we need to be setting up with this software is the welcome flow. So this is the flow that uh, gives like a pop-up on the website, like a sign-up form with a nice offer. So you should come up with a good offer. It can be a discount, for example, or like a free shipping and installation offer that you can put on the welcome pop-up to motivate people to leave us their email address and ideally their first name as well. And if possible, also their phone number would be perfect. So we can also send them SMS, of course. So that's the first flow. If you don't have that set up yet, you need to do that ASAP because you're simply losing money basically. You're leaving money on the table by not having a welcome pop up and a sequence after that. So then, after they've signed up for your offer, you need to send them with that flow a couple different emails in an automation. I generally recommend to have a sequence of 3 emails where the first email sends them the coupon code that they can use to make use of the offer basically that you presented to them. So that's the first email, and then the second you can make it about your brand, that you tell about your founding story, maybe about the team, about the founders, so that people become more comfortable with you. And then the third email could be like some urgency push to tell them that that coupon code that you send them is only available for like the next 24 hours. So if they want to make use of the offer, which we think they do because they sign up for it, of course, but if they want, then they need to do it within 24 hours or it'll be gone, just to motivate them and to make clear to them that they can't just wait for another 2 weeks because they'll probably forget about it. So that's the first flow that you want to be set up. Then the second flow is a browse abandonment flow, which is basically the person that visited any page of the website, right? So it doesn't need to be specifically a product page. It can be like the home page, collection page, and then from there, if they left their contact details from the welcome pop-up, then we can still also target them like that for the browse abandonment flow. So in this flow, we want to sort of promote in general like our best sellers to them. We don't know exactly which product they're interested in because they didn't visit a product page yet, but we can still market to them through email, and if we have their phone number, also through SMS, and to get them to buy from us. Then the third one is product browse abandonment, which is for all the people that have visited a product page or multiple product pages but did not add to cart. So for those people, we have very valuable data on them because we know which product or products they're interested in, right? So for those people, we want to, of course, show the specific product that they were visiting on our website because we know that that's what they came for. So when we send it to them in an email. We show like the picture of that product right when they open the email. Then like it's very valuable for them because that's literally what they're looking to buy potentially. So this flow has generated like a ton of extra revenue because it's highly targeted. You can consider also putting a discount offer somewhere in this sequence because they are very qualified people. They've been on the product page. So that's the third flow that we have to always set up. Then the fourth one is cart abandonment flow, which is for all the people that added to cart but did not proceed to the checkout. So these people, again, they're more qualified buyers than the product browse abandonment, right? Because they already added to cart. So for those people, they might have some trust issue or anything of that nature. So we want to promote in the email. Again, we also, of course, want to put the specific product in the email that they were adding to cart. But then we also want to make them more comfortable buying from us. So making clear that we've got, for example, a 100-day return policy, that we have 5-year warranty, of course, if you have those things. And then also like making clear that you have a secure checkout, maybe some reviews to make them completely comfortable buying from us. You can also consider putting another discount in this flow as well to get some people over the edge and also create some urgency, telling them that they can use this only for the next 48 hours or something along those lines. And that works amazingly well. And then the next flow that we want to set up is the checkout abandonment flow. So this is for all the people that added to cart and also went to the checkout. So we exclude the people that we have like that went to checkout in the cart abandonment flow, and we only put those people in the checkout abandonment flow. And these are the most qualified people that you have that basically went through the entire buying process and just at the end they ended up not buying. So for those people, we want to first of all also send them very nice email and SMS flows like messages. But at the same time, I also always recommend to call those people up because there's just probably one or two things that are left to make them buy from you. Because why else would they go to the checkout and add all their details and then end up not buying? There's oftentimes just one or two objections left that basically prevented them from buying your product, right? So that's how we treat checkout abandonment, is to definitely call them up, and if they don't pick up the first time, keep following up with them for like the next couple days. And you can also send them personal texts because those are your most qualified leads that you're going to get basically. So that's all the flows for people that did not end up buying yet. Then after a person buys, we want to get basically a flow in place for post purchase where we motivate people to buy from us again with either the same product, or if you have a proven upsell product, you can promote that upsell product in your post purchase flow. So this is just designed to increase the lifetime value of that customer, to make them buy that same product again or make them buy other products that you know that your customers oftentimes buy together with that product that they bought already from you. So this is also really powerful, and if you don't have that in place yet, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. And then after that, we also want to have a win back automation in place where we typically send a win back automation between like 3 to 6 months after their initial purchase to motivate them to buy from us again. So this email can be something like promoting a temporary offer again for either the same product that they already bought from us or a compatible product that they might need because they bought our other product, right? So that's another very powerful automation that you want to always set up for your business. So it might be quite a bit of work to get all of this designed and then to also implement everything and to set up the whole OmniSend software. But you only set it up once and it makes money for you forever basically. So I highly recommend to set up all these different automations for your e-commerce brand, because it's just a money maker. It gets people to buy from you so many times more than if you don't have all this stuff in place. So I hope this all made sense and you got a lot of value from this video. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I post 3 times a week, so don't miss out if you want to see more of it. Also, if you have a problem of generating e-commerce sales for your business and growing the business, then feel free to click the link below where I talk a bit about how we help e-commerce brands to grow their sales. I don't care if you click it or not. I just hope you got a ton of value out of this video, honestly, but just letting you know that it's there. So thank you so much for your attention, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.